Hello, remember how the last one was RVD versus Shelton Benjamin? Well, I'm doing 3 stages of hell, but it's gonna be it. The first one was a ladder match. I'm changing it up. This one's a last man standing, and then the last one's gonna fall as a count anywhere. So here we go. Go, 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 go. Alright, oh, no. Oh. Oh, last man standing. Oh my God. Can I win this? Shelton Benjamin. Oh. Shelton Benjamin with a methodity. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ding, 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 ding. Here's your winner, Shelton Benjamin. Ain't no stopping me, no. Ain't no stopping me, no. Shelton Benjamin won that one, so please subscribe to WWE Amadeus Matt Fans 1, James Von Cool, WWE Edge Amadeus, Mr. TTOT, Watkins Justin, and Harry's HHH, and The Real Harry Show. Thank you.